Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up shipping on Big Cartel. First, go ahead and log into your account. Now, once in, click on your icon at the top, then scroll down until you're in the Shipping Profiles Beta section. Here you can go ahead and edit your shipping. After that, just go ahead and set up default shipping rates. Now first, select a country, then edit your shipping method or rates. Add in a rate for your first item and for each additional items. Then click on Done. Go ahead and do that also for the next one. You can also add another shipping method if you'd like. Once everything is done, just click on Save button. Now you have your default shipping rate. You can go ahead and set up another one or edit the existing one you have. Just go ahead and edit also the shipping method like on the first one. Then go ahead and save it once done. Now it's time to add your product shipping profile. For here, just add a shipping rate. First, add in a rate again for the standard one. Then add again for the next day delivery. Now select a country for it. After that, click on the Save button. And there you have it. Your shipping rate was now created. When you return to shipping profiles, you can see that it is done. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.